Good day everyone. I'm Sugna Devi Priyasamy from SMK Putrajaya Persin 11-1 Putrajaya. The title of my research today is Emergency Call. The study issue here is about behavioral issues of 5 Al-Khalili students of SMK Putrajaya Persin 11-1 of not being serious, no focus and skip online classes during the home-based teaching and learning. The study mainly focusing on examining the effectiveness of the use of emergency call and to look at whether emergency call intervention could solve the behavioral issues of 5 Al-Khalili students. The main objective of this study is to ensure all 36 5 Al-Khalili students are serious, focused and join all the online English classes during the home-based teaching and learning. The target group is 36 Form 5 Al-Khalili students of SMK Putrajaya Persin 11-1. The intervention is called emergency call. The teacher contacted every student who did not enter the online class before the class begins. The teacher waited for 5 minutes prior to lesson for students to enter online class. After 5 minutes, emergency call is made. If students are unreachable, the teacher asks favor from other students in class to help them to reach their friends. Still unreachable, emergency call is made to reach out the parents. This intervention carried out for 4 weeks. The intervention was carried out from January 29th of 2021 to 24th of February 2021. The intervention went on for 4 weeks. From the graph, you can see the attendance rate from 86.1 increased to 94.4 after the second intervention. After the fourth intervention, the attendance boosted to almost 100% in all online classes. The findings reveal that emergency call intervention for 4 weeks consecutively changed the students' behavior. 5 Al-Khalili class attendance is mostly 100%. The researchers spotted all 5 Al-Khalili students are more disciplined, focused and active in home-based teaching and learning. If students have family matters or unwell, they inform the teacher advance. Notice all 5 Al-Khalili students are more disciplined and enter online classes at least 5 minutes prior to online teaching and learning process. During the learning process, teacher calls them and students responded immediately and they showed full engagement in the lesson. Emergency call facilitated home-based teaching and learning process during the pandemic, eases online classroom assessment. Emergency call helped some 5 Al-Khalili students to change their behavior. Teacher, you always look for me. I don't care if teacher doesn't care. If the teacher doesn't care about me, I skip classes. This is the response from one of 5 Al-Khalili students gave. He made this response personally. He said, teacher, you care. That is why I join your classes. Other subject teachers too reported about the changes in behavior of 5 Al-Khalili students. Overall, emergency call intervention helped 5 Al-Khalili students to be more disciplined, more focused, and more engaged during the home-based teaching and learning process. Teachers can closely work with parents during home-based teaching and learning process, especially during the school closure. Encourage effective engagement with parents to facilitate students' learning. Immediate intervention is necessary in home-based teaching and learning. Extra care is vital for quality teaching. Education system can aim to implement this intervention by providing teacher-parent engagement training. This is highly recommended. Some of the references I have quoted here. And with a beautiful quote, the way I see it, if you want the rainbow, you got to put up with the rain from Dolly Parton. With that, I thank you.